But turn the Milwaukee on. That is actually pushing cloth. Masterchef, you gonna show us what you got under that cover?
Alright, so what we got here is the starts of our fabulous pizzas.
Damn, son. This looks like a cake.
Almost. We've got a bit of flour, a bit of oil, a bit of salt, yeast.
This one?
You know, a bit of both. And water. And voila. Find out what it comes out like.
That is actually pushing cloth. Jeez.
Look at it.
Alex, stick it.
I mean, don't, but think about it.
So what do we do now, Curtis?
What we're going to do, we're going to bash this stick down, and we're going to roll it out flat, throw it in a pan, cook it one side, flip it over, add the cheese and toppings, and we're golden. Campfire pizzas, loving it.
Tell you what, he's an absolute master chef, isn't he? I mean, look at how he goes.
Dude's face. Oh yeah.
Come on. Come on, Curtis, you can do it. I believe in you.
Yeah, have fun.
Oh, he's nailed that.
Alright, let's go. Sauce, get the cheese, Alec. Cheers. Yeah. Have you? Everything. Right on. Do everything. Oh yeah, just put it on the front of the pan.
What's that bitch?
3 days later.
So we decided our pan lid wasn't quite hot enough, not crisping the cheese up enough, and Alec, the pizza connoisseur, said we need more crisp. And we got Curtis on the job, and let's have a look at see how we went. Oh, you are kidding me.
Camping? That kind of pizza? It's unbelievable.
Oh!